Hello dear friends. Welcome to FADDYSPEAKS. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. Hard work is doing work very seriously by putting maximum needed efforts. It is completing a task with honesty. Hard work makes the way to success. It is tough to do hard work, but it is important to make our life smooth. A hard-working person is always happy in life. Success is the result of hard work. The person who works hard achieves many things in life. People always love him. He is always respected by everyone. Every one of us has goals in life. To fulfill the goals we need to be hard-working. Sitting idly does not help fulfilling one's aim. We all must respect the chance we get in life. Respecting the chance means doing hard work. We must not fear failure. Failure is natural to our life. When we fail, we must not stop working hard. We all should believe in ourselves and keep trying hard until we achieve our aims. To develop the sense of hard working in children, parents or teachers should tell them the stories of successful persons of a country. The children should choose a role model for their life so to focus on their own life. This will help them study hard with interest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.